did know. Why is the like lovely in the blue sky?
Okay, we're gonna do it again.
Ito ka na ko doon. Yes, Slasher with a basic attack.
Okay, let's fight then. Okay, so Jelon the Slasher and Top the Slasher. Let's go.
Okay, namin.
Let's play.
Sunod ikaw. Sunod ikaw manok. Suko.
I will fight so that I can go back to my family.
Demon Slayer versus Zoro.
What are ya?
Demon Slayer said, I quit, President. Double kill. Just kidding. Wow! Nice moves, Rex. Okay, let's be tarong. Let's be tarong. Flana, Flana. Bro, just please go down. Wait. Before you kill me, I have something to say. The end. Wait. I have something to say. Please, we will be friends. Just kidding. Again? Wait. Friend. No, wait. Don't! I have last word to say. I sacrifice myself. Huh? Oh! Just kidding. I'm not affected at my sword. This is not over. My freaking balls! I got you! We're not over yet. Wonka. Look at the sword. It's all my blood. And I have double sword. Yeah! Oh no, the boss! The boss! Let's fight back! Yeah, baby! Let's fight! Yeah! Look guys, I'm gonna do this! Yeah! Say your move! Get it! Ow! My foot! There's only one way to get him down. Yeah. We have defeated him. Still not defeated him, but
Just went back.
Yucks! Yucks! Yeah, I only told you the one weakness is high. What? You will get fired! Just he's wrong! I'm getting tired. Ana! Muna guys.